Alright, this might be a little bit harder than I thought. Here's our first direction. Great. It though. Arc.
Are we seeing some animals? I see tails. I see tails.
Read the sign.
Animal refuge. Cute!
Searching for the way to go, searching for the light to show. If you only knew I missed you so. Searching for the way to go, searching for the light to show. If you only knew I missed you so.
So we met, what's your name?
Elizabeth Oliver.
Elizabeth Oliver. I guess she's pretty well known. She has a bunch of books out and photos with like royalty from England, I guess, on her walls in there. So we checked out the original facility, Osaka Ark, Animal Rescue Kansai, I think it was. And now she's taking us to see their brand new facility somewhere. Do you remember the city name?
Sasa, or I don't know, something with an S.
Yeah, Sasa something. So we're going like 40 minutes, she said, Sasa something, to check out their brand new facility. And she really wants us to see it, it seems like.
Yeah, we're following her right now. That's her car.
It seems like a place that she's really proud of, so I'm excited to see it.
Me too.
Million thoughts are spinning around in my head. My pulse holds it down, 'cause I'm almost there. Now I see you through the window and I'm walking on it. But I won't let you know. And I know how it goes. It's supposed to feel incredible. It's too bad you had to leave. Please come back now, baby. Where were we? Said you changed in a lie. Got the memories still popping up. Show me your heart, I'll show you mine. You go first, I rewind. You're my soul, my heart, my beautiful.
Nervous.
I see. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, don't you fucking dare throw it at me.
Hey, what's up guys? We're back in the hood, Nishi Nagahori area. We drove something like 200 kilometers today, all the way out to the countryside to see some animals. We saw snow, which was cool, but I had way too many pastries, bowls of ramen, and even a beer or two, so trying to go in for a quick jog tonight and kind of shake some of that back off. Anyway, it was really cool to see Elizabeth Oliver, this English lady who has had this dream to help all these animals, and especially for her to do it overseas in a country that she's not from, and it's kind of difficult, it seems, to do anything. So it had us kind of thinking about goals, you know, especially being the new year and stuff like that. So I want to do a video maybe tomorrow or the next day talking about goal setting. And I heard this really good analogy about you wouldn't build a house without having a blueprint and knowing exactly what you want. So why do we live our life every single day on accident, you know, waking up and doing the best we can that day with no definitive goal, with no definitive end in mind, you know? So I really want to explore that a little bit more, kind of clear up some things for myself, and maybe do a video on that tomorrow or the following day. Actually, tomorrow Cari made a mistake, so tomorrow Cari gets made. So tune in tomorrow to see what we mean by that. And yeah, besides that, I love you guys, have a good night, and I'll see you then.